Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Illustrative RJ. In this video, we will learn how to design a logo in Adobe Illustrator with the help of Shape Builder tool. First, select a ellipse tool and draw a circle with the help of Shift and Alt. Now copy it and draw a smaller circle. Now select rectangle tool and place it here and copy the rectangle and place it just beneath it. Now again copy this rectangle and select transform, then rotate 90 degree and you have to place here. Now you have to select, copy, then paste in front and you have to enlarge the circle and then place just here and you have to adjust, then you have to select the circle, this circle, copy, paste in front and place it here. Now you have to select this one, copy and paste in front and drag here. One more time, do the same things and place this circle here. And now one more time, the same circle you have to copy and place it here. Now almost done. Select everything. Now it's time for Shape Builder tool. Delete all the unwanted selection. It's almost done. Now I have to do this. Delete these areas. Delete unwanted places. Oh no. Undo and then again select this area. It's almost done. Now you have to select the color, strokes, whatever you want. You can use gradient. Here I use this pink color and blue. You can use whatever gradient you want for your better looks. So it's almost done. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.